No.
Okay, how about this one? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, now you can see it. Okay, now let's move on to, okay, one moment, please. Let's talk. Is it this one? I'll speak now. Okay, so here, let's talk complete. Okay, this is the answer keys. Okay, so let's tackle this one first. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
Yes, you can. All right, so can you read it for me? Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's starting off. So what can you see in a picture? Okay, what can you see in a picture? Okay, let me, okay, here. Can you see it not clearly? Okay,
Uh,
what can you see in a picture, Long?
yes.
Mhm. So
Uh,
what does the girl and a boy doing?
what is your name?
Sorry?
Uh, what is your name?
Oh, my name? Oh, you forgot my name. Okay, so my name is Everly. So I will be your teacher. Okay, so I am your teacher last week and until now. Right? You forgot? Okay, it's okay. So my name is Everly. Okay, so Everly. Everly.
Yes.
Okay, so this is my name, Everly. All right. So now let's move on. Okay? Okay, so yeah, what are they doing? So the boy and a girl is talking like they are their um exchanging their okay. Okay, can you tell me what can you see in a picture? What does they do? These boys.
Hello. Yeah.
Mhm.
I I can't swim. Is mm,
Sorry?
I can't swim.
Ah, you can't explain. Okay, let me help you to explain that. Now it's okay. Okay, so this one. Okay, so look at this girl and a boy. So yeah, let's talk maybe the conversation first. Okay, let's complete the conversation phrases from the box. Okay, so let's talk about them. Okay,
Uh, yes.
okay. So first, I'm Tiago, and you'll be Sophie. So
Sophie.
yeah, Sophie. This will be Sophie, and this will be Tiago. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So hey, what's your name?
My name is Sophia.
Okay. I'm Tiago. How are you?
Uh, I'm I'm 30.
Sorry?
30.
I'm thirsty. 13.
30.
Mm-hmm. Good. How about you? What about you? Say it.
Yes, I do. Do you like school? Yes, I do.
Okay. Can you say it again? So what does Sophie said? What does she replied about Tiago? Okay. I'm Tiago. I'm 12. How old are you?
Um, I'm 13.
What about you? Say it
What
again.
about you?
Okay. I'm 12. What about you?
Yes, I know.
I'm
I'm 13 so do you like school? Yes, I
yeah.
know.
Okay. Yeah, I will Tiago. Okay, repeat. Okay, let's start again. Okay, so I will be Tiago. Or do you want to be Tiago? So Tiago is a boy.
Boy.
Okay, yeah. So Tiago, okay, you will be Tiago and I will be Sophie. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let's start.
What is
Tiago,
your name?
my name is Sophie.
I am Tarago. Nice to meet you. How old are you?
I'm good. Thank you. What about you?
I'm 13 so do you like school?
Yes, I do. Okay, very good. All right. Do you have any questions? Hmm? Do you have any questions?
Uh, do you like school?
Yes, I do. I like school. How about you? Do you like school?
Yes.
Yes. That's nice to hear. All right. So, what is your grade? What grade are you now?
With
Grade. Are you in grade 7, 6,
seven.
7? Grade 7. Wow. All right. Thanks. Thank you so much for sharing with me. Okay, now let's move on to listening. So I think we don't have listening here. Okay, let me check. Okay. Yeah, this one, let's have a phrases here. So listen to the numbers. Underline the stress part. Mhm. Okay, so word stressed. So we can read it. Okay, repeat after me. 13.
30.
Okay, so 13.
30.
Perfect. Okay, so 14.
40.
All right, wonderful. 15.
50.
Correct. 16.
60.
16.
60.
Very good. Okay, 17.
17.
18.
18.
119. Say it again. 119.
190.
Very good. Okay, this one, this part. 30.
30.
Okay. 40.
40.
Okay, so here the stress of the word is from the beginning until the end. Okay, so here in 13, so the stress is on the end. Okay, okay, so let's move on. 40,
40.
50,
50.
okay, 60,
60.
again, 60,
60.
okay, 70,
70.
okay, 80.
80.
All right, here, 190.
190.
Perfect. Okay, this time, please repeat the words or please repeat the phrases. Okay? All right, number one.
30.
Okay.
14. 15. 16. 17. 18.
Uh,
119.
okay, very good. Okay, nice. Okay, now let's move on to part 2. Okay?
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 190.
Okay, very good. Do you have any questions?
Question là uh, what what do you like number?
Oh, my favorite number is 10. Okay? How about you? What is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 7.
7. Wow. All right. Why do you like 7?
Uh, 7, 8, mm, look, lucky.
Mhm.
7 is look.
7 is, sorry, can you please type it in so that I can
7 is look.
look? Is it?
Look, looking money.
Ah, lucky money. All right. Okay, so 7 is a lucky number for money.
Yes,
Wow. All right. So I like 10 because that is the date of my birthday. Yeah, so I like 10. And that is my lucky number too.
yes,
Okay, so thank you so much for sharing that with me. So yeah, okay, so maybe from now on, my favorite number is 7. So it's a lucky 7. Okay, thank you so much for that, Long. All right, so let's continue. All right, now let's move on to number 3. Okay, so listen, circle the numbers you hear. Okay, so here just we read. All right. Okay,
yes.
so I will search the listening of this number of this material. All right. Okay, so here 13,
30,
14,
40,
15,
50,
16,
30,
30,
40, 30,
40, yeah, 30,
40,
50,
50,
60.
60,
All right, here we got a 17,
17,
18,
18,
119.
119,
Okay. 70,
70,
80,
80,
190.
119.
All right. Okay, this time, can you please repeat the number to me? Okay, let's start.
Uh, 30,
Say 13.
30,
Mhm.
40, 15, 16, 30, 40, 50, 60, 17, 18, 119, 70, 80, 119.
190. Okay, good job. All right, very good. Now, okay, since we don't have, okay, one moment. Okay, do you have any question?
Um, Why are you writing?
Why are you? Sorry. Can you please repeat? Why are you
Why are you writing?
writing? Oh, I'm sorry. So I'm just asking about the listening part of the book. Okay, so yeah, because we need has a listening part of the book so that you may know what is the conversation. Okay, so because we have here conversation, so we need to listen this one first before we answer it. All right. So that's why I'm writing. Okay, I'm asking. Okay. Okay, but still we don't have okay, so we don't have any listening here. So yeah, let's read first. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You will hear five scarves conversation.
You will hear voice of conversation.
Okay, so this conversation, okay, like example, listen to the conversation, write down the three numbers you hear in the conversation. So here, let's have, what number is this? The red one.
13,
Is it 13?
15, 15,
15. Yes, very good. So, how about the green one? What color? What number?
50,
50. Very good. How about the white one? What color is it?
55,
55. Perfect. Yes, that's correct. Okay. So, okay. So, in this number, what is your favorite number of a bus? So, this
bus.
is a bus, yeah. So which is your favorite number?
My
And
favorite
mhm,
number is 50.
50. Wow. Me too. I like 50 because 50 is on a green color. Yeah. Do you like green color, right? Do you like green color?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, me too. All right. So here. So now I will read the sentence or I will read and you will tell me what is where does Tiago live? Okay? All right. So here. So 25,
25,
40.
40, 42.
Okay, 42. So since we don't have an audio for here, okay, let's skip this one first. Okay, um let us review that one maybe tomorrow if I can hear our next meeting if we can take or I can get the audio. Okay? All right. Thank you so much for that long. Okay, now let's move on to grammar. Okay, let's practice. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now let's have some present simple. Okay, so this is the rule. So the rules is we use the verb to be to talk about age, nationality, etc. Or um, many kinds of um, words or verb. Okay, like example, my brother is 12. So that is the example. So the verb here is 12. Okay?
12.
Yeah,
My
that is the
brother
verb.
is 12.
Yeah. Yeah. But you are 12.
Yes.
Your brother is how old?
His brother.
Yeah, what age of your brother? How old is your brother?
My brother is 12.
2 or 10?
12.
12.
12.
Wow. He is 12 also. And you are? How old are you? 13?
12.
12. Oh, okay. All right. All right. This time, so in number two rules. So we use the present simple to talk about things that we are always true or things that happened regularly. Okay, so here is the example. He's really good at football.
He very good at football.
Okay, very good. So he lives in our street.
He lives in our street.
Street, yes. Okay, so one of example here is you can say my or he is really good at cooking. So that is also example of the things that we are always or always true and things that happen regularly. Okay? Okay,
Yes.
so can you give me some example of a present simple tense to talk? Okay, how about can you say about your brother, what he is good at? He is?
Yeah. Younger like play badminton.
Oh, okay. Can you say he is really good at badminton?
Yes.
Ah, good job. So can you say it again? He is good at badminton.
He is good at badminton.
All right, perfect. Okay, do you have any questions?
Uh, what sport do you like?
I like badminton too.
Yes.
Yeah, but of course, I'm not good. I'm not really good at badminton, but I like badminton. Okay, thank you so much for asking that to me, Long. Okay, so let's have number two. So ask and answer questions with do and are. Okay, let's have the example here. Can you read? Do you like football?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Very good. Or yes, I do. Okay, are you from France?
No, I'm not.
Okay, good job. Okay, all right. Now, I will ask you some questions about or using do and are. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Long. Are you do you or are you good at badminton?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Very good. Okay. Do you like soccer?
Yes, I do.
Wow. All right. How about your turn to ask me using do and are?
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I do.
Are you from? Uh, are you from? Um,
Mhm.
are you from Korea?
California? Sorry, what did you say? Are you from
Are,
California?
are you from Korea?
Korea. No, I'm not. All right. Thank you so much. Okay, so you did great. And you are able also to ask a question. That's a great job. Okay, this time let's complete the sentence. Okay, this one here. Let's move on to number three. Okay, complete the sentences with the correct present simple form of the verb in the brackets. Okay, so we will use a short forms. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's complete the sentence. Number one. My best
It
friend's name
is
is, okay, very good, is Dexter.
Is
Okay, is. Okay, very good. Okay, is. Continue. Can you read? My best
my
friend?
best friend's name is Dexter.
Dexter. Okay. He?
He isn't
He
from
isn't from
an
England.
England.
He
He's
is from
from
America.
America. America.
America. Okay.
He
He?
loves he loves sport, not especially a football.
Okay, can
And
you say it again? All right, sorry. Can you please say it again? He loves
he loves
sports,
sport,
sports,
especially
especially football.
football. Uh, I don't I
Mm-hmm.
don't like sport at
Mm-hmm.
all, but Lester and I am very good friends. We live in the same street
Same,
and
say
sometimes
same street. Sorry,
just
same street. Okay. Next,
just
sometimes.
sometimes I go to his house and watch films. He uh he doesn't have
Doesn't.
any brothers and or sisters.
Okay,
His
can you
mom
say? All right, sorry. Can you say it again? Number 8. He don't have.
he don't have any brothers and or sisters. His mom and dad wa- are very nice.
Are
They
really nice.
very nice.
Okay.
They born both
Both
was work
works.
works
Works. Okay, good. Works.
at home. They are a very happy family. Have you got a best friend?
Okay, have you got a best friend? Okay, very good. So, yeah, you did a great or you did a correct answer. Okay, so you already prepared it? Yeah? Do you
Yes,
already prepared it? Yes. Good job. Yeah. That's the correct way. Okay. So we always prepare. Okay, good job. Do you have any questions?
yes.
Okay, what is your question?
Uh, mm, what what name my best friend?
What name is your best friend? Can you say it again? What name
What name my best
of
friend?
your best friend or my best friend?
What name your best friend?
Oh, what name of my best friend? So his name is Joan.
Yeah.
Yeah. How about you? What name of your best friend?
Um, it's name is my Dấu.
Do? Okay, can you say it again? His name is Do.
Yes, Dấu.
Do. Okay, good job. Thank you so much for sharing that to me. All right, so that's it um for our uh, kit, and let's move on to let's talk. Okay, so here, okay, so it's to okay. Can you see it clear? Can you see it clear? Okay, so this one, work alone. Okay, what can you say each situation? Choose the statement or questions from the box. Okay, so here, so let's choose the number or a letter, okay, to match in each situation. Okay? So here as an example number 1, you don't know what to do next. So it says
You don't
letter D.
know.
Mhm.
You don't know
To
what
do.
do you need?
What to do next?
What do you need?
Okay. So, what do you think is the um, correct questions that fit in number one? It has letter D. It shows letter D. So, what should we do now? Right?
I study English.
Yeah, I study English. Very good. Okay, that's the correct. Good. Okay, number two. Okay, you want to work as a group. So, what is the correct fit or correct questions in the statement? You want to work as a group.
You want to work it is good.
Mhm,
Uh, why do you think?
mhm. Okay, one moment. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, now let's move on. I'm sorry again. Okay, so yeah, let's move on to number two. Okay, number two, you want to work as a group.
Uh,
Okay, so
why
what they,
why do
good.
you think?
What? Good.
Who wants to go first?
What is the answer? Sorry, what did you say?
And you want to work in a group?
Yeah, you want to work as a group. So what is your answer? So, all right, letter. What letter?
Let's go work together.
Yes, let's go work together. Okay, very good. So number three, you don't know who want to go first. Okay,
Who
yeah,
go to one first?
yeah. You don't know who want to go first. So what do you think is the answer?
You don't know who want to go first.
Okay, so choose the answer here from the box. It's
Is um no, the one first. Who wants to go first?
mhm. Who
Who
wants
wants to go first?
letter F?
F.
Letter F. Okay, who wants to go first? Number four. You don't know whose turn is it.
You don't know what turn it is.
Mhm.
One turn it.
Okay, let's take.
Let's uh let's check turns second or one turn it.
Questions. Okay,
Listen.
so can you say it again? Okay, let's take turns asking the question.
Let's check turn second the lesson.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's nice. Okay, number five. You want to see or hear your partner's answer.
You want to say where your better answer.
Answers. Okay, what is the answer?
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes,
I
I do.
just a moment, but I'm not quite ready.
Okay, so can you say it again? Just a moment. Okay, if your friends are talking something and to hear, you want to hear your friends talking, you can say, just a moment. Please, I'm not quite ready.
Yes.
Okay. All right, that's great. Okay. So number 6, you want to find out someone's opinion. Can you please read? You want
You want to find out someone his opinion.
opinions.
Opinion.
Okay.
Uh, what? Uh,
Go ahead. What?
Chung. Why do you think?
Yeah, why do you think? Okay, very good. That's correct. So why do you think? Okay, next. You aren't ready to begin and you need to more time.
Uh, le- let's come back action.
Yes, let's compare answered. Very good. Okay, number 8.
Uh, you don't want the some parent to only ask the question.
Okay, so
Uh,
you don't
let,
want. Okay,
let's work
mhm.
together.
Let's work together. Okay, are you sure?
Uh,
Mhm.
just a moment, but I am not quite ready.
That is answered in your friends. Where is you hear your friends? Yeah, number 5. That is the answer on number 5. Okay, so the number 8 answer is
What
what
should
you
we do now?
okay, what you don't want the same person to always ask a question. Okay, so whose turn is it? All right, letter C. Okay, can
Teacher,
you
I go to I
toilet?
I drinking.
Oh, sure. Drink water?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Hello. Okay, are you ready? Are you okay now?
Um,
Okay, now let's move on. So we already done with activity 2. Let's move on to activity 3. Okay, so this time group work. So as a group work, so I will help you to make a sentence. Okay, like complete this conversation with a statement and the questions from activity 2. Okay, so let's have a role play again. Okay,
uh,
I will read Sujin. You will read Misha. Okay,
yeah,
all
June,
right. Okay, I'm done. Let's work together. Let's see if we agree on the answer.
June,
Just,
just
just,
moment, but I am not quite ready.
I'm not quite ready. Say it again. I'm not quite ready.
I'm not quite ready.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Also, okay. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. We have a pen here. Okay. So, all right. Next. So here. So, okay. Let's take a turn. I think the first picture is number 2 and the second is number 1. Okay. What is your answer? I
Um,
I agree.
I be
Agree.
agree,
Say it again. Agree.
agree.
Okay. Me too. What do you think?
It asks you with the question. You answer them.
Okay, say it again. I'll ask you the question. You
What
answer them.
is you the questions? You answer them.
Okay. Wait, let me compare the answer. Okay, let me compare the answer.
Become
That way, anyone ask and answer the questions. Or let's
yes.
take turns. Okay, Misha?
Uh, uh, I will go first. What are you hobby?
Mm, it's your turn. Good idea. Say it. Say it. Good idea.
Good idea. Who,
Who?
uh, who, who wants to go first?
Okay, very good. I'll take two. Sorry. I'll go first. What are you? What are your hobbies?
Uh, I like to ride my bike. How about you, Misa?
Misha.
Misa.
Okay. I like to sing and uh, I like to sing in the shower. Hey, singing is a good for you. Okay. Whose whose turn is it?
Yes. Uh, I turn it a strange
Raul.
round,
Raul's
round,
Raul's turn.
round train.
Okay. Okay, but first I have another question for Misha. Why? Mhm. Why?
Do you think?
Why do you think? So, Isa, why do you think?
What
Okay.
do you think?
As very good. Okay, so yeah, because we don't have any audio, so yeah, we will scroll up and scroll down first. Okay, so here, let's work alone. Okay, write the answer about this topic. Okay, but so we don't have this one. Let's just skip this one first, okay? I will find the audio first. Okay, so what are you like? Okay, so um let's have this conversation first. Okay, so pair work. Look at the picture. S- Where are the peoples? What are they doing? Okay, can you explain to me or can you tell me what can you see in this picture?
Hey,
Hmm?
hey, lao.
Sorry, they are?
Hey, lao.
They are
Lao.
riding. You know a caterpillar? Was it? Is it caterpillar? No. It's a roller coaster. Have you ride on a roller coaster?
Yes.
Yes. It's scary. Is
Carry.
it scary?
Carry.
Yeah,
Carry.
yeah, scary. Yeah, and you're going up and you are going down. So it's too scary, right? Are you
Yeah.
scared? Yeah, me too. I don't like riding on a roller coaster. It's too scary to me. All right. Thank you so much for that. How about in this picture? What do you think he is doing?
I am going in the beach. In the sea.
Yeah. He is walking on the sea. Very good. Do you think will he or she taking a bath on the shower or will swim on the on the beach?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, do you like swimming?
Yeah, I do. I like swimming good.
Wow, swimming is good. Okay, are you good at swimming?
Yes.
Yes, wow. Who teach you how to swim? Who
Mm.
teach you how to swim?
They are drinking cafe.
Oh, this one. They are drinking coffee.
Yes. Coffee.
Yeah, coffee. Do you think, or how about you? What about you? Do you drink coffee?
Uh, sometimes.
Sometimes. All right, that's good. Is it good?
No one going.
No, it's not good. Coffee is not good.
Coffee is good, but it is uh, mm, bad.
It's bitter. Yeah, it's good, but it's bad. Is it your? All right. So coffee is good taste, but it's taste bitter, right? Is it bitter? Bitter taste. Yeah. Okay. How about this one? Do you think what are the people doing there?
Supermarket. Supermarket.
Supermarket or a shopping mall, right?
Supermarket is big. Shopping go racket.
Wow. Do you like shopping?
Shopping racket.
Oh. So how often do you go to shopping? How often?
Uh, I yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes. And
Yeah,
who with whom? Is it your mom, your dad, your friend?
mom and dad.
Mom and dad. Wow. So what do you usually buy in a shopping mall? What do you
Yes,
usually buy?
I
What
buy
do you
racket. I buy
wha-
lot of racket.
Wow, a lot of racket. Wow. So you like racket.
Yes,
Okay, that's nice to hear. Okay, so here is your racket. I will give you some racket. Oops. I don't know how to draw a racket. So this is a racket for measuring. Okay, and this has sorry, this one. And is it a racket?
yes.
Yeah, so that is your
But
racket. Okay, that's nice. So thank you so much for that. All right, since you like rocket, okay, so I will give you a rocket later. Okay, now let's have letter B. Okay, describe the places in the part. Okay, which part A? So, which kind of place do you like the most? Okay, and which place do you like less? Okay,
But
so you will use the words and your own ideas. Okay, so you will use these words.
but
Okay,
crowded.
okay,
Instead in
and
the
these pictures, which one do you like the most?
three, four.
3 and 4. Okay, so you like to go shopping and you like to drink coffee. All right. Okay, how about why? Why do you like this two picture? Why do you like this?
Picture one is relaxed and noisy. Uh,
Relax and
noisy, exciting, crowded.
oh, so you mean you like it because it is exciting,
Exci-
relaxing. So maybe this one is exciting because it's a lot of people there. So
But
mhm.
the
Yeah, busy, busy. They are all busy, right?
busy in
Uh-huh.
yes,
Yeah, they are all busy.
be
And mhm.
busy, relaxing, exciting. Three,
Yes. So 3. So relaxed. Okay, so
relax,
relaxing, exciting, and
busy.
busy. Ah, okay. So you like this because
Picture two is um wired,
mm-hmm.
wired, uh, wired,
Quiet. This one
wired.
picture two is quiet. Yes, correct. How about number 1? What is it?
Uh, uh,
Is it
picture
calm? Is it calm? is,
come.
is it calm? Like if you are riding on a roller coaster, are you calm? What if you are riding on the roller coaster? No, right? So it is scary.
Scary is
Yes. Scary and very nervous, right? Okay. So thank you so much for that. So for number 1, it is a scary.
is
Yeah.
funny.
Funny. Yes, correct. That is funny as well. Okay, so funny. What else? What else can you describe for number 1?
It is
How
uh,
about dizzy? You want dizzy here?
oh,
Dizzy, like your your head is being um r- moving around, right? Okay, so number 2 is relaxing, right? Is it relaxing? Number 2, relaxing.
that's yeah.
Relaxing, yeah. And is it noisy there? Noisy? No, it's not noisy. It's quiet. Say it. Quiet
Quiet.
and relaxing.
Yes,
Peaceful.
it was.
Okay. Do you like the place do you like the place is quiet, relaxing and peaceful? Do you like those places?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Let's move on to number 3. Okay. So you said
But
that it's
it's
crowded.
crowded.
Yeah.
Noisy.
Noisy. And
Noon. Noon. And what? Uh,
calm. Is it
uh,
calm? Hmm.
yes.
Yeah. So it's also busy, right? So people here is busy what? Busy? Buying at
B.
buying, right? They are busy buying.
Yes.
Yes. And of course, that is exciting, right? Is it exciting? Yeah, we can use also exciting here on number one. Okay, so some people likes to ride on an adventurous and very scary rides.
Scary.
Yeah, scary. Okay, number four. So you said it's relaxing, exciting, and very calm, right? And quiet.
Yes.
Yes. So have you go to a coffee shop? Do you go
I
to a coffee shop?
is noisy.
Yeah, they are so noisy.
Stop
Yes.
lively.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true. You're correct. Okay. So what else? What else can you feel?
Exciting.
Ex
Exciting.
exciting. Yes, of course. That's correct. Okay. Do you have any?
Relaxing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Exciting. What else? What can you feel or what can you say about this picture?
I like picture tree.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice.
I like buy lot of lucky.
A lot of rockets. Okay. So, okay. So, how many rockets do you have?
Um, I find lucky in the house.
Wow, five rockets. That's nice. Okay. You have about five rockets for at your house.
Yes. I buy
Okay.
badminton.
Oh, so racket and your badminton. And how many times do you play badminton?
Yeah.
Yeah, how many times? One time, two
One,
times,
one time.
one time. Oh, okay. So once a day, so one time in a day.
Yeah.
Is that correct? Wow. Okay, so thank you so much for that, for sharing with me. All right, let's move on to the next. Okay, the next letter. So letter C. To join another pair. So let's discuss this question.
Yes.
Okay, what is your favorite place?
My favorite play a
Wh-
star.
which one? Sorry? What
My
is your favorite what is your favorite place?
star.
Star?
Yes.
Wow. So have you been to Star?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. Okay. Now number two question. Why do you like it?
Because it's beautiful and beautiful and big.
Oh, beautiful and big. Wow. That's nice. Thank you so much for sharing again. Okay, the last question. What does this say about your personality? What does this say?
Uh,
Is it good?
in head.
It's relaxed
I
and
reason.
yeah, you're relaxing. Okay. Thank you so much for that. Okay. So our time is over long. Okay. And yeah, I will give you some rewards. So good job and keep up the good work. Okay. So
Yes.
we'll see you again on next meeting. All
Yes.
right. Okay. So thank you. Oops, sorry.
Wow.
Wow, so this is your star. Okay, well done. And so thank you so much for attending and for participating our lesson today. Okay, so good job.
Bye, teacher. See you
Okay,
again.
goodbye. See you again next meeting.